Today we are going to see the geometric progression. We call it as GP. Already we seen arithmetic progression, geometric progression. We call it as GP. AP means arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression, for example, the series 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. We have to find the difference. That is called D. D equal to A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2. So D equal to 3 and A equal to 3. A is the first term, D is the difference. The formula is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D plus etc. That we can write as A plus N minus 1 into D. In GP, that is geometric progression, 3, 9, 27, like that. First term A equal to 3, difference, that is R equal to 9 divided by 3, that is equal to 3. Formula A2 divided by A1, second term divided by first term, third term divided by second term, fourth term divided by third term. So A1 equal to A, A2 equal to A plus D, A3 equal to A plus 2D. Therefore An equal to nth term, formula A plus N minus 1 into D. Like that, A1 equal to A, A2 equal to AR, A3 equal to AR square in geometry progression multiplied. Therefore nth term An equal to AR power N minus 1. Sum to n terms, Sn equal to A multiplied to 1 minus R power N divided by 1 minus R. R is less than 1. Sn equal to A R power N minus 1 divided by R minus 1 if R is greater than 1. That is the condition. For example, 2 comma 2 square comma 2 cube comma 2 power 4 etc. Here A equal to 2 and R equal to 2. So 5 comma 10 comma 20 comma 40. Here the difference, how to find the difference? 10 divided by 5, second term divided by first term, that is equal to 2. Third term divided by second term, 20 by 10 equal to 40 by 20 equal to 2. So the difference is same. That is called common difference. Next, exercise 9.3, question number 1. A equal to 0 and A equal to what? You have to find the nth term. The given geometry progression is 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8. Here A equal to 5 by 2. The common difference R equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 20th term R equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, A20 equal to A power R power A into R power 19. So, A equal to 5 by 2, R equal to 1 by 2, power 19. 5 by 2, 1 by 2 power 19. 5 multiply with 1 by 2 power 20. So, 5 divided by 2 power 20. Or you can write like this also. 5 multiply with 1 by 2 power 20. Next, An equal to 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1. That is equal to 5 by 21 into 1 by 2 power n minus 1 or 5 into 1 by 2 power n. Next, second question. A12 equal to how much? A8 equal to 192. Common difference R equal to 2. So, AR power 7 equal to 192. A into 2 power 7 equal to 192. A into 2 power 7 equal to 2 power 8, 2 power 6 into 3. So, A equal to 3 by 2. First term is A 3 by 2. Now, we are finding common difference also given R equal to 2. So division I will show here next time. 192 divided by 2, how many times it will come? So 2 power 6. Therefore 12th time A12 equal to AR power 11, that is equal to A value 3 by 2, R is equal to 2 power 11. 2 power 11. So cancellation 3 by 2 multiply with 2 power 11, cancellation will get 10. 3 multiply with 2 power 10. That is 3 multiply with 1024. Therefore 12th time A12 equal to 3072. Next question number 5. 2, 2 root 2, 4, etc. 128. Here first time equal to 2, A equal to 2, R equal to common difference 2 root 2 by 2, that is 2 to cancel, root 2 answer. Therefore AN equal to 128, AR power n minus n, AN equal to, in the place of AN write the formula AR power n minus 1, that is equal to 128. Therefore 2 root 2 power n minus 1 equal to 128. 2 power of power n minus 1 equal to 64. Simplification 2 power n minus 1 by 2 equal to 2 power 6. Therefore n minus 1 by 2 equal to 6. N equal to cross multiplication 12 plus 1 13. N equal to 13. Next question number 3. A5 equal to P, AR power 4. A8 equal to Q, that is AR power 7. Therefore A11 equal to 5, that is AR power 10. Show that Q square equal to PS. AR power 7 power 2 equal to AR power 4 multiply with AR power 10. AR, so A square R power 14 equal to A square R power 14. Therefore Q square equal to PS. Proved. Next question. 6. 2 by 7, x, minus 7 by 2, A1, A2, A3. Here R equal to A2 by A1, A3 by A2. Therefore A2 multiply with A2 equals A1 multiply with A3. A2 square equal to A1, A3 value, apply the value 2 by 7 into 7 minus 7 by 2. So cancel, 1 answer. So A2 power square equal to 1, A2 equal to plus or minus 1. Question number 18. 8, 88, 888, 8088, etc. Sum to n terms, Sn equal to 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus etc. So formula 88 divided by 8, that is equal to 11. 888 divided by 88, 111 divided by 11. So 11 is not equal to 111 by 11. Therefore equal to 8 common, 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. Last term. Nth term 8 into 9 by 9, 1 plus 11 plus 1 plus nth term. Therefore 8 by 9 multiply with 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus nth term. Now this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. For satisfying our formula, 8 by 9, 10 minus 1, 9, 100 minus 1, 99, plus 1000 minus 1, 999 plus etc. nth term. Next step, 8 by 9, 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 plus etc. n term. For adjustments, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, etc. nth term. Next line, 8 by 9 multiply with 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus etc. nth term minus 1 is n terms. Therefore, now formula 8 by 9, 10 multiply with 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n terms.